So a lot of progress has been made in just a few days. As you can see, we now actually have walls standing up here. We can see where the new window is gonna be. We can see where our new double door is gonna be. And we can see where the other new double door is gonna be, which is gonna be from the living room until the garden. So it's also really nice how it's gonna look like. So in this corner of the garden we still have some junk, which is the staircase and some other concrete stuff. So I want to get that out at this moment because it's also in the way, and I want to dump the yellow sand somewhere, which makes sense to put it right here. Right, so I found some foundations again, which were under the last wall in the garden. So we got one here and one here, and I'm gonna pull them both out because I just want to get them out of here. Same as the bush, there's still a power cable and some water lines going there, and I just want that all gone. So let's do that. So that foundation is out. Now let's keep on digging, because underneath our terrace there's also junk everywhere. So let's dig that up as well, so it's a little bit more clean. So we got some sand here, I vibrated it, and we're gonna put a little bit more on, and then we can put tiles on here, so we actually get some flooring again in the garden, so we can walk outside. And to do that we need to dig this away, because that sand has got to go up here, and that's gonna form our new terrace. So it's a nice day to do some work. Unfortunately the track broke, so I'm gonna have to fix this one first. So we need to make a pin for it, get the old one grinded out, but it's the easiest if it already broke. So this one broke already, so we can fix it pretty easy now. We just need to clean up this hole and then put a new pin in, and hopefully that's gonna last for a while again. So I just welded this. We found out that this welding machine is able to run on 220, so that's what I can use here in our garden. And I welded a new pin in here, so hopefully we can continue working now, and hopefully that's gonna last for a while. We really need new tracks for this one. got this all dug up, so that's now pretty much on level. Now the part beyond the pipe still has to be done, so it's going to be everything in front of the new extension, and we're going to clean it out because I want all the yellow sand gone there, just a little bit of driveway so we can still access it, but I want the rest gone so that we can put gravel in, as that's a lot stronger than this yellow sand. Topstang nog intrekken. Topstang. So because of this mud pool, we're not gonna do much more today because it will just create a mess, but we leveled out everything here, so it's ready to put tiles on. And once we got tiles on, I want to make this side also ready so we can at least walk here when it rained again, as it's becoming a complete mud pool every time it rains at this moment. So one of our neighbors helped us out with these nice tiles, and I'm just putting them in at this moment. So I got 6 pallets of these things, and then I got my big square meter ones, so we can make quite some concrete floor here quickly to just have a nice place to sit and walk during the summer, as that's the thing that we miss in this sand heap here. So this is definitely gonna make things a lot nicer. So the other day I made 2 of these nice walkways. That makes it a lot easier to access the house and a lot less danger for falling. And again, some work has been done, so we now got some insulation sitting on the outside on some places. We discussed the plan yesterday on how we're gonna proceed. So I got the new stones at home, I just need to bring them over and then we can do the outside wall.